Welcome back to the Cars Master. Today we are reviewing the Hindustan Ambassador. The Hindustan Ambassador, an iconic name in Indian automotive history, is making a highly anticipated return with a modernized yet nostalgic design. Revered as the king of Indian roads, the latest iteration seamlessly blends its classic heritage with contemporary engineering. The unmistakable silhouette remains, but with refined curves, a bold front grille, and signature round headlamps that preserve its vintage charm while incorporating LED technology for a modern touch. Retaining its robust and commanding presence, the new model pays tribute to its legacy while embracing the demands of today's automotive world. Under the hood, the latest Hindustan Ambassador is expected to offer multiple powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient petrol engine and an advanced diesel variant, catering to different driving preferences. Reports also hint at a hybrid or fully electric version, aligning with global trends towards sustainability while maintaining the durability and reliability that made the Ambassador a household name. The improved suspension system ensures a smooth ride, perfectly suited for both urban commutes and long highway drives. Inside, the cabin transforms into a fusion of retro aesthetics and modern luxury. Premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and a spacious layout provide unparalleled comfort, while a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a touchscreen interface, smartphone connectivity, and voice commands brings the Ambassador into the digital age. Rear seat comfort, a defining trait of this classic car, is enhanced with extra legroom and advanced climate control features, making it an executive's dream. Safety takes center stage with the latest model, integrating ABS, electronic stability control, multiple airbags, and a reinforced body structure to meet modern safety standards. Driver assist technologies such as lane departure warning, parking sensors, and a rear-view camera add to the convenience and security, making it a car that honors its past while embracing the future. As the Hindustan Ambassador returns to Indian roads, it rekindles nostalgia while standing as a symbol of evolution and resilience. With a timeless appeal and cutting-edge upgrades, this revival aims to captivate a new generation of enthusiasts while satisfying those who cherished its legacy. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel.